Hello friends, welcome to my channel, your channel, multi-talented YouTuber, also known as Rhythm Sa, and today we are reviewing on this phone. This is the VIVO V9 Youth, and today we'll be unboxing this phone and also reviewing on the same. So stay tuned. Okay guys, so I'm unboxing this phone, but let me tell you the truth. I've already unboxed it because in Nepal when you buy a mobile, what you do is you open everything in the shop and check out everything and just set up the phone. So this would be a simple unboxing, just a fake one, but yes, I will tell you everything about the phone today, so stay tuned now. So this is the box, VIVO V9 Youth, perfect shot, perfect view, and so I will try to show you the specs. So it says full view, dual camera, rear camera, 60 megapixel front camera and 4 GB of RAM. So these were the key specs, and this is the Russia 2018 model, like official smartphone. So let's open this. So when you open this, you'll find something like this. I'm sorry for that. Okay, you'll find something like this in front of you, and what you do is pull this off, and inside this will be your smartphone. So this is the smartphone. So let us keep it this aside for a moment, and now there would be a card like this, and it will have your pin which you will need to switch the sims. Then you will have your guidebook. So I bought it in Nepal, so महत्वपूर्ण जानकारी र warranty card. It means important information about and warranty card. So that's it, and this card constitutes of the features of the phone, like key specifications and all. But when you have the phone, why do you need these things? Let me throw the paperwork aside, and now what will you have in the box? So you'll have an earphone, a charger and a data cable. I'm sorry guys, don't laugh, I have the data cable with me, but as I unboxed, I literally could not pack this up for you. But yes, the quality is good, everything is good. And so starting with the earphone, let's see what this is made up of. So looking at the earphone, I have to say that these are premium quality earphones. Look at these, some kind of inspired by the Apple, but yes, they do give good sound quality. I have checked them for a day and it was mind-blowing. I have to tell you guys, it was mind-blowing. So keeping this earphone aside, I will go towards the data cable. So it's a simple data cable which you nowadays see very often, and then it will work as your charger connection and as your data cable. So that's it. This is the Vivo travel adapter, and you can see the specifications, or when you buy the phone you can see those. Okay, now coming to the phone, main component, right? So you can take out, you will find a very beautiful set in front of you. So this phone is already set up guys. So the hammer glass has been set up and I have already used it for a day, so it will boot up pretty much fast, not the first interface you will see. So Vivo camera and music, Vivo. So you can see me on the screen now. Yes, okay. And I think I'll be now making videos from Vivo because it has mind-blowing camera. Actually the specs are not so good when compared to other phones like Redmi and all, but yes, the picture quality comes out very good, very good, literally. And I have set up password. I won't show it to you, so I'll put it. So okay, I'm back. So you get a full display. I mean, look at it, doesn't it attractive? I'm sorry guys, I cannot take the whole all the frames because of some kind of problem, but yes, this phone is really great. I don't know if camera can catch all that, but it has something in it. So I'm in love with this phone. This would be my phone for a long time, I guess, because I'm literally in love with this phone. Look at the screen, and there is dual camera, there is a fingerprint and everything, and the Vivo logo, it has been like circled with gold lines, and that gives you a premium feel. And I have to tell you one thing, this thing is a fingerprint magnet, so fingerprints get onto it very easily. So you also get a cover with this phone, a very good cover which you can use to like secure your phone. You can put on a hammer or you can just let it go, because it has Gorilla Glass 3, and if you use it carefully you don't need to worry much. So this was it about the phone, and in the next video we will be comparing the camera quality. You just saw the unboxing of the phone. Now talking about how it performs and how it does its things. So I have used it for a day, as you all know, and while buying phone in Nepal you just unbox this phone on the inside the shop, and they will do all the formalities, warranty and all, and after that they will set up your phone and only you will get it. So same thing happened with me, so I could not unbox it properly, but yes, I managed to do something. But from next time I'm gonna do it the best way I can, but sorry for this time. And now talking about the review of the phone, this is a phone with which I'm in love with, and I'm gonna carry this phone for a while now, and after a month I will surely do a review on this phone, how it performs and how it did with me. And I am planning to do all my vlogs from this phone now. I was using a Gioni phone previously, but yes, it performs better than that. I will not tell the model, and if you want to know that, just comment below. And talking about the features, it has a full display, 6.3 inches. Yes, actually I wanted a big screen phone, so okay, this is the phone. It has dual rear camera, and it has a 16 megapixel front camera and a 4GB RAM under its specs. Okay, the specs are fine. You saw the model, it was completely great. Actually, when in hand it feels like something premium is on your hand, and that is what I liked about this phone. And I surely played some games, among them PUBG was one of them, because it's the trending game of today, and I played it in the medium and lower settings. It performed quite well. In the medium settings, some lag, like not a big lags, just small ones, and in the lower settings perfect. So this might be the phone for gaming too. And actually the camera quality is really very good. Under that price range you might find better configured cameras on the market with the same price range, but the results are better, and you can see the comparison of the camera on YouTube where different channels are doing them, and you'll know that yes, its results are better. So if you are a camera fan and you need a good camera phone under that budget, this might be the solution. But if you play high in graphic games, I'm not talking about like small games, I'm talking about 2GB 3GB games, then this might not be your phone. But else this is your phone, like videos, big screen, YouTube, it works perfectly for vloggers. Yes, this might be your shot. And in the next episode I'm planning to do a camera review, like which phone I used previously and this phone, and we might like get very good results by this. And actually I'm in love with this phone, and after using it for a day there are no complaints. And if you join the earphones, the music is great, and even without the earphones the speakers give out very good bass. I need to tell that, very good bass. And if you want a detailed review on the features, you go below, comment, and I will do a review on that. Till then, take care. Please do join the family if you are watching this video till now. By joining the family I mean subscribe to the channel, so you can be updated about tech world. And yes, don't forget to press the bell icon, because you need to stay tuned. And thank you for watching. If you have any questions, go below, comment. This is me, Rhythm Sa, signing off.